Hey, hi, hola, wagwan, I'm back. So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. That's if you like the video, that is. So today I am going to be doing some gardening, hence why I've got my farmer's gear on. So I am planting carrots today. But the thing is, I don't know how many to put in one section. So it's going to be a bit of a trial and error. The seeds are tiny, tiny and blue. So that's that done. I'll be keeping you updated with my carrots. I can't wait. I'm hoping little man will be able to eat some. Hey. So it's time to look after the goats. Time to bring in the goats. I'm always getting myself in some kind of trouble. I was in the way, so the goats weren't wanting to come and run to the pen. So he was asking if I was in the way, so I was trying to walk fast. So before he come and caught up, he wouldn't see me nowhere near the entry. Luckily, they're all heading in the right direction. If any had ran off, that would have been it. But yeah, I guess I'm looking like that. So now we've been told our chickens are ready, but honestly they better be, because we're on our way to get some petrol and go and collect them. So wish us luck. Drop in the comments, do you think these chickens are going to be ready this time? Because you know what they're like. Let us know. 6 feet, yeah. 6 feet. It's fine. Let's set out for a feet. Hi. Good afternoon. Can I get 6 feet of chicken wire, please? Can I get some door hinges as well, please? Just for one door, please.
Yeah.
How much ever?
They're not there, man. How much of them? How much of them, miss? 400.
I got a little thank you gift from the hardware store.
You get thank you gift?
Yeah.
What you get?
I'm not loyal customer.
But you get this morning and your man. Some man know the problem. Your man this morning. I telephone them, you get man and me give you.
Oh yeah, you did it.
Let me just pause it right here a minute. So, Busty received a thank you gift for being a loyal customer somewhere else, and he gave his gift to me. So now I've got one. Do I give it to him? Let me know in them comments, yes or no.
In time, didn't we? Closing up. Evening. Evening. Hi, I've come for 6 feet of chicken wire. 6 feet. Foot. Oh, yeah. Okay.
I want on this as well. I think Johnny.
Yeah.
You sure, Johnny?
Yeah.
See what the people do. You're up on that cheese.
Mm.
Can I say them point down something else? We can't some of them. You miss?
No, me a flag.
Let me flax. I beg two pallet to my boy.
I will learn to money them, the man.
Too far.
You get my again.
But you can't bend your back.
You see it?
Every time man come and get old. Get all this part man. When they pray man talk about old to right.
Hold on the red, hold on there. Red, call up that to the red. Look up in this man.
You sure it's a 6 feet this time here? Put back on that's it.
Gonna make the farm
No,
start.
please, no, please. No, you hold that you hold with John now. Give me the edge. You know, yeah. That edge. This is a shot, man.
Right there, the eye you get.
No, man, the shot.
And right there, the eye you get.
Just how it's been.
Roll it up to me.
You think you're easy?
Roll it up to me. Say, Polly, I say, Polly, go to my own. We are about 10 of them.
Right now, one man come to them, they want to them.
One about 10 of them, but we can't buy them. Man down, baby. Oh, man, no. Eh?
Back at the farm store. Huh? Are you not coming in with me? Huh? You gotta come. Hi. Yeah, I need you. I think I need. Alright. Come to get some chickens. Hi. You alright? Yeah. Come to pick up the chickens, Natasha Bromfield. For that amount of chickens, how many of the water things do I need? The
Which one you want? The small one? $700 one?
I'm not sure, you know.
See two sides up there.
What's the
You gotta pick
difference?
Which one you like? Price. One is for $940 and one is for $700.
Big one will hold more. We'll go for the big one then.
How much?
How many do you think I need?
You can take one each, you know.
One each, and
You
that
want
will be
two of the
enough for
big one.
50.
You can't, eh? You can't buy two of the big one if you want. Then with more water.
Right. Okay.
You want it?
Let me just double check.
Yeah.
Give me 1 minute. No. Just need the water fingers. You've got the big one that holds more water, but it's more money. Oh, you've got the smaller ones. You don't know.
I don't know.
You just get one that holds more water. Oh, they're scary, you know. I'm scared of birds. I said I'm scared of birds. But they look cute, don't they?
The cover can you sell you. Put little feed in there. Give them. And put water in there, give them.
Put water in there.
Put it in there, let's do the thing, you know. I'll put some mess in there. You do it tomorrow. No, do it now, funny, right? Then we go for it.
Oh, okay. And they can't jump out, can they?
No, man.
Look at me, I'm scared of birds, you know. I'm scared of birds.
Hear them?
Uh-huh.
They don't do nothing.
So how am I going to carry that and carry the water?
I'm going to buy now.
Uh-huh.
I'll put it for buy.
Alright.
No. Yeah. But the thing is grass up. No, man, I feed my face. So we don't find
Why are you not? Thank you very much. I've got them. Alright, take care, thank you. Alright, I'm frightened, you know, so So Piero, from 6 to how many? 50.
So I'll be 25.
So you're gonna love and
So
care for
I'll
them.
be boys.
I don't know how it works about
24.
girls and boys.
All of these.
There's 50.
What? 25. 25, 25. Wait.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
There's 50.
Okay, so out of all this, there's 26.
Yeah.
So
So then the other
there's
side.
one less over there.
Oh, okay.
Right? So on this side, there's 26, and that side, there's 26.
Yeah, they actually stink.
What's that? Oh. Now, go back your hand. Put them down. Hello. Mommy, I see his ear.
So the day ends chopping down a tree. I really enjoyed that video. It reminds me of a day in the life. Should we do a day in the life? Let me know in the comments. If I get the response, I'll do it. All right then, after 3, 1, 2, 3.
Don't forget to subscribe.